The CCID136 code in Mini Cooper means that the left rear brake light is not working. But according to my experience, this may also mean actually any light in the rear part of your vehicle. And you should check them all. And once I had the situation with the Mini Cooper with the CCID136 code, and it was the problem not with the brake light and even not with the blinker light or something that is located inside these tail lights, but the trim lights. So there was a special light in the trim, in the body of the car, and when we replaced this light, the problem disappeared. Even if all lights work, you will still need to check the contacts, because the problem may be intermittent and you will get this CCID136 problem error message all the time. So you will need to check the left tail light, of course, and check all the lights, maybe even replace all the lights. Replace it one by one to check if the problem disappears. Unfortunately, there is no way to find out with the OBD scanner or with any other way what exactly light is malfunctioning. This is some light in the rear part of your car.